trailers, you know, got delivered, and I got it opened up yesterday, and it was just too cold to do anything. It's still cold today. But I wanted to get you a tour of the inside before I start doing anything to it. So here we go. We'll start back here. And this is the queen bed. It's pretty dark in here. I don't have the power plugged in yet. But there's the 3 windows. And then this is a cabinet that, I don't know if you can see, it's got the little clothes rack to hang, little shelf area. And then it's got 3 drawers below. Now with the TrailManor RVs, everything collapses down. So this actually will slide. Let me see if I can show you. Let me set this up. There. Okay, so this cabinet right here lays down. I think all you're going to get if I leave that there. Let's see. Okay, so this cabinet right here is probably a good 4, maybe 5 feet tall. I'm not real sure. But anyway, maybe not even that tall. But let me show you how it works. Because this camper has to squish down real flat. So, and it's all on, it's really easy. It just slides out. And then it drops down. So when I'm traveling, it's down like that. Anyway, let me put it back up. And I think it's all birch wood, so it's pretty light. And then it just slides. I can get behind it. There we go. It slides back in. This is a really nice little cubby under there. I think I might remove the door and just put baskets in there with a little strip across there to keep things from falling out. And then this area here, I don't know if you can see it. This is the bathroom, believe it or not. And I'm not real experienced with opening it and closing it yet. This wall, let's see if I can find a better way to show you. Okay, this wall here lifts up. Let's see, I'm not real sure. I did it once when I bought it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this side lifts up. And not real sure where it hooks. Like I said, I'm still new to this. Oh, it slides in. Okay, I see. We're getting there. And then it latches right there. Then this door, which when I lift it is going to lock you. This wall also lifts up. And pulls out. Sits there. And latches. And then there's a little hook right here. It's too far out. Now this hooks into that keeps this bed from slipping and sliding back and forth, because when you close up the RV for moving, all this slides forward to make it smaller. So yeah, the bathroom has the little sink, storage there, storage under here. And of course the toilet and a little bathtub and the shower area. And what I'm going to do is well, it's got it up here already for the little shower curtain that goes around. I'm not real sure about that area there. Oh, maybe that's just, oh, okay, the shower curtain covers it. Okay, and got a nice window in here. Mirror. Hello. So that's that. I don't think I have it pushed out all the way. Okay, so, yeah, I don't. Let me try and pull that out a little bit. There we go. Still learning how to latch all this stuff. Okay, then it's got a really huge sink. Look at that. That's ginormous. Look at that. Big sink. Really, really big. A little low, but, well, it is what it is. Anyway, it's got a solar panel above, and this is all the information on that. And like I said, it's still new to me. I still got to read it all. Little cupboard. Like I said, all that will be cleaned out, redone, repainted, whatever. Little fridge with an ice or a freezer area, and it runs on electricity. You can see the electricity, the battery, and propane. So it'll run off the solar radio. And then another big window, and I'm going to put all new curtains in. I'm going to recover all the bedding, or all the couch and the bedding. Put new curtains up. It's got storage up there, which would be nice. And I've been playing with the idea of, instead of having a bed up here, put maybe some shelves for storage, I don't know, a day bed, something, because I don't really want a bed up there because I'm probably going to use the back bedroom. Anyway, the table folds up, and it also has a leaf to make it bigger. This cabinet here goes up on those hooks, so I'll have a cabinet over the sink area. And the couch table area also makes into a bed, which is more than I need. It's got a nice heater in it. We had it running. It's really works good. Place to put shoes, and I don't know what can go in that little cubby down there, but I'll figure something out. Anyway, it's got a 3-burner stove. Of course, you know, propane. The oven is a Sharp brand, and it is a toaster, an oven, and a microwave all in one, which I'm going to have to read and figure out how it works, because I didn't think microwaves did so good with metal, but the inside of this is all metal. But I'll figure it out. Little towel rack. And then, I don't know how to put that. Oh, there. Pretty clean. Okay. Drawer for stuff. There is no air conditioner on it. But there is an option through the factory to have a little window air conditioner installed. So I'm wondering, you know, why couldn't I just, and they have it down here. They also have one that they have on the roof, but you can also put a little box air conditioner down in one of these cupboards. So I'm thinking I may go, if I need an air conditioner, depends on where I go. Anyway, flooring isn't bad, it's just really dirty right now. But I'm thinking maybe I will get it cleaned up, see what it looks like, and I might put the same flooring in here that I have in the house in the living room. So that's the inside. Oh, it's got a fantastic fan up there, another fan up there. I believe it has a fan in the bathroom. I'm sure it does. Nope, just the window. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it. It's 20 feet when it's closed up for traveling, 20 feet long. And then when, what are these keys? And then when you open it up, it's 27 feet from front to back. Oh, I guess I have to unlock it. Okay, so then on the outside, lock it up because I don't plan on going back in. It's really cold out here today. I looked at all the decals around it before I bought it, and other than being dirty, everything seems to be in really good shape. There's no buckles or anything. Tires were good. Let's get back here where I can show you more. Anyway, my car still fits in here real nice. Do this. I'm facing the sun. But this is the area where that littler bed is that I'm thinking about making into a storage area or a day bed, but not a place for a bed. Like I said yesterday, I set it up pretty much all by myself, and it wasn't all that bad. But there's this side. And yeah, those cables right in there, those, I don't know if you can see them. Or those, I think those are all the solar stuff. And it's got your fresh water when you're hooked up to city water, and then it's got the tank that you fill right there, electric, and I think it's the cable for the cable and the phone for if I'm ever in a park. Hasn't left with the motorhome yet, so I don't know what she's going to do. She's been staying here. But it's okay. It's nice to have the company. And back to this side. Looking that way. Come around here. Like I said, it was pretty easy to put up by myself, so I'm not real worried about that. Even with my bad back, it wasn't that difficult. I think it's more that I'm unsure because it's also new. Oh, there's a cubby out here for storage too. See that right there? Didn't know that. And I know that the bumper right there, this thing, it unhooks, and that's where the that tube for the toilet, what's it called? The sewer hose? Yeah. That is stored in there. I think there's some tools. I don't know what all's in there, but she did show me, but yeah. Okay, so that is the newest addition to the family, and sun's killing my eyeballs. Anyway, so I just wanted to bring you out and give you the tour like I said I would. I'm gonna start by probably doing some painting, maybe redoing that floor, making new curtains. At first I thought I'm going to get in there and just clean like a wild woman, but then I got to thinking, why bother with all the cleaning? I'm just going to make a mess painting and sanding and all that. So that's what's going on, and as I start doing projects inside, I will film it and keep you guys updated. Okay, so excited. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, click that thumbs up button, share my videos, and comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see something, let me know. Alright, gotta go. Thanks guys. Bye.